Hey, what's up, beautiful people? Here's a quick friendly public announcement. I'm going to show you in 60 seconds the fastest and the most accurate way to get the status of your tax refund. Let me jump in the computer so I can show you. The first thing that you're going to do is go to irs.gov. Let me put that on the screen. So the first thing that you're going to look for is get your refund status. So let's click on that. And to the right, get my refund status. Instead of calling the IRS or your tax guy or your accountant, this is the fastest and the most up-to-date way to get the status of your refund. So once you get to this page, it's pretty much self-explanatory. It's your social security number, your filing status. You should know what your filing status is. You should know what you file as, and the expected refund amount. And this box here, and submit. Once you put your information and hit submit, the next page should look like something like this. Return, receive, which means it was received by the IRS. If it was approved, this one also will turn orange. This shows like the return was received. It has not been approved yet. And the next one is the refund sent. And the event that you get something like this though, your tax return is still being processed, it means that they did receive it. Your status has not been updated yet. And if it stays like this for over 7 days, you're more likely going to receive a letter and the mail explaining why. That doesn't mean you're not going to get your refund. It means that they need additional information. Let me show you how to do it on the phone. The phone is even faster. If you have an Android or iOS, go to your specific app store and look for the IRS to Go app. It's this one here. So let's open it. And it's the same process, guys. It's your social security number, your filing status, and the expected amount of refund and get status. And it's the same result. It's either it has been received, it's being processed, and it's being sent to you. So this is the easiest, fastest, and accurate way to get the status of your tax refund. As always, guys, thank you again for watching. I hope this was helpful. If this is your first time here, my name is Paul with Sunset Oilty and Sidward Insurance. Please subscribe so you don't miss any of our next videos. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. As always, guys, thank you again for watching. I hope this was helpful. If this is your first time here, my name is Paul with Sunset Oilty and Sidward Insurance.